even in other countries, not just in Kenya.
And UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres has appealed for massive international support for Somalia during his visit to the East African country, which is facing the worst drought in decades. During a joint press briefing with President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, Guterres told reporters he was in Somalia to ring the alarm on the country's need for massive international support. He said the nation is dealing with humanitarian difficulties while also combating a serious terrorism threat.
This is, above all, a visit of solidarity. Every year, during the holy months of Ramadan, I have the honor of visiting a Muslim country. And today, I am happy to continue this tradition here in Somalia and to fast with you in solidarity. And I wish to thank everyone for allowing me to join in this special time, and I look forward to later sharing an iftar invited by His Excellency the President with a group of distinguished guests. The President and I discussed the government's valuable efforts to tackle terrorism and advance peace and security for everyone. And we underlined the importance of an ever stronger collaboration between the federal government and states. Federal and state authorities can count on our support for further advanced state building. And we are particularly encouraged by the recent agreement that was established in relation to the different matters of power sharing. And I'm also here to ring the alarm on the need of massive international support. Massive international support because of the humanitarian difficulties the country is facing, massive humanitarian support in relation to the build-up of a security capacity in Somalia, and massive humanitarian support in stabilization and development of the country. Somalia is experiencing its worst series of 5 years of drought in recorded history, and I hope that the rain that is coming will persist and will help.
That report now brings us to the end of News Desk. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Purity Musanzuki. I'll see you again at 2 o'clock with Africa Speaks. Keep watching KTN News.